welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of when I was prepping my nails, but I'll leave the tips down in the description box. Please go and check it out because it's very important. As you can see, I'll be mixing my polygel with my gel polish. So this was my first time using nail forms. I don't know why I tried to cut it. It can be hard to tear the nail form, so I just use the scissors. For my slip solution, I used 70% isopropyl alcohol. I didn't use a lot of blue polygel because I was going to encapsulate it with clear. For the ombre, I carried that part up to number 2 and my nails was at number 3 length, so the clear went from number 2 to number 3. After curing the nails, I use a nail cleaner wipe to remove the sticky layer from the nails. You can also use 70% or more isopropyl alcohol. So now I'm going to shape the nails and file down the tip of it so it can look more faded. On my thumb, I applied the clear polygel first, then applied the butterflies, but don't do that. You're going to see me do another method on the other fingers, and that's the correct way because this method doesn't allow the butterflies to look encapsulated and they will leave. I showed you guys 3 colors here, but for the last color it wasn't showing on the nails, so I just used the dark blue and the light blue on the other nails instead. I had the tool to take up the butterflies, but I didn't realize, so I went ahead and wet a brush in the alcohol and use it to take up the butterflies. So this is the correct way to do it. You're going to apply a thin layer of base coat to the nails, put the butterflies in it, then cure it and apply the clear polygel over it. Make sure to cure underneath the nails because sometimes there's some uncured polygel under there and it will mess up your nail. So after applying the top coat and curing, this was the outcome. I love how it looks. Good, the nails are a little bit wide, but it's okay, and I think the butterflies help to carry out that gradient look.
Turn back now.